So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get into bot-only lobbies in Fortnite. Okay, so for this first method, you are actually going to need a Nintendo Switch for this method to work. If you don't have a Nintendo Switch, but then maybe stick around for the second option for the way to do it, because that one might work for you. What you're going to need to do is make a new Fortnite account or a new Nintendo Switch account, where basically this new Fortnite account has not been played on at all, and you have 0 XP on it. And the way that you're going to get into bot-only lobbies is you're going to need to join on your main account, or friend yourself from your Nintendo Switch, from your new account on your Nintendo Switch. And then you need to play a duos match, or you can do trios if you're playing with your friend or squads. It really doesn't matter. But you're going to need to load into the game, and then before you are on the battle bus, before you gain any XP on your Nintendo Switch new account, you are going to need to leave the match. This will cause you to earn no XP, meaning that in the next game you will still be in bot lobby. So you can play the rest of the match out on your main account or with your friends. And then, once you're back out, you just have to load in again and do the strategy again, where you leave the match with your new account. Okay, so this second method doesn't work exactly right now. It works better, well, it kind of works right now. The way that it works right now is if you have an Android phone, such as Samsung or Google, then you can get Fortnite on your phone, make a new account, and basically, essentially do the same method as on the Nintendo Switch, except with your Android phone. This did work with iOS, but unfortunately it was banned from the App Store and it does not work right now. iOS Fortnite comes back, which is confirmed to come back, then this strategy will work for you. So this first method actually works with PC as well. And all you need to do is essentially change your time zone to one that it will be at around 3 AM in that time zone. So then you're playing at 3 AM practically. You just need to look it up and go to the time zone that you're playing in at 3 AM. This works on any of the strategy. You're going to be against only bots who are sweaty days and play at 3 AM or something. And of course it didn't build it. So this second method only works on Xbox and PlayStation or Nintendo Switch. It might work on phone too, but basically what you need to do is go to the side menu here, go to settings, and then press this settings, and then go all the way over here to Epic Account ID, Account Privacy. I don't think that it shows it here for me because I am on PC. But you want to turn off cross-platform play. It will be in this section, somewhere along here. Cross-platform play, you want to turn it off, and if you're on PlayStation, then you'll only be against PlayStation players. If you don't want to be against less sweaty people, and basically that's it.